Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. I want to go over my current buy recommendations. With that, let's get into it. The S&P 500, I'm currently short the S&P 500. So here's where we initially went short. Here's we went neutral, went short again, came down, went to a neutral, then went bullish, and then right in here went bearish. You can see we're down a little bit on the last time we've been in, but made plenty of money. And I don't think this is over. So maintaining the bearish outlook on the S&P 500. I'm still looking for a lower low. We'll see what happens. My stop is way up here at about 5,800, let's call it. So until I see something to the contrary, that's where we're at. Bearish on the S&P 500. EXCELON, this has been a great stock for us. The utility company, EXC is the symbol. Here's the 2+ year consolidation. Our price projection is 51. We got up to 48 and change. So we're really close. You know, a higher high here, and I'll really knock it down to a lesser amount that I have in EXCELON. Again, I've been selling all the way up. I buy the dips, I buy some back, and going to gradually scale out of this. So would really like to see a higher high and would knock down my position as far as dollars invested. Here was the time to get bullish in a big way. And, so anyway, EXCELON looks great. Everything's still intact. Here is silver, the ETF SLV. Let's see, one started with a buy here, went neutral on April 3rd and went bullish again here back on the 17th, which I believe was last Friday. So anyway, prices look higher. This is still intact. If you remember this is a weekly chart. This goes back about 3 years, but on a 25-year chart, SLV and silver, the underlying commodity, has broken out of a huge symmetrical triangle, and it's suggesting a $64 price projection somewhere in that area. So I definitely don't want to miss this. So the potential is really, really big, similar to what gold has done. China looks fine. Again, everything's still intact. Here's our bullish channel. This is the support line. This is the resistance line. And you can see we touched that a couple of weeks ago, gave us a good buying opportunity. And now we're higher. I want to say the point and figure chart price projection, the X's and O's chart, the most pure supply and demand chart is suggesting, I want to say it's about a $55 price projection. So there is still more potential upside in China. It's been outperforming our market for sure. The 10-year Treasury, the ETF, IEF. While this hasn't been a huge moneymaker, it's certainly up on the year more than the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Russell 2000 can say. And this is all still intact. This inverse head and shoulders pattern, the bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline. The price projection is 103. And you get a monthly dividend. I don't know, I think it's about 3.5 to 4%. So that's where we're at there. And I will be putting that dividend or that coupon into cash here in a few days. Antero Resources. This is held in like a champ. Natural gas has been weak lately, and this has been holding its own, barely. So here's again, looks similar to Exelon's 2.5 year symmetrical triangle. We got the breakout, we got a retest, and we got a bullish hammer a couple weeks ago where prices opened the week up here, intra-week broke our support, but by the end of the week had regained the support. We have another bullish hammer this week. We'll see what tomorrow can bring. If prices can stay around this area, that would be encouraging because it would give us a second bullish hammer, which is suggests there is buyers underneath the current price. So still like Antero Resources, the potential upside here is huge. This is not one for the faint of heart. Oops, what happened? Oops. This is not for the faint of heart. It's very volatile, but we got a $63 price projection. So that's just about a double from where we're currently at. So still like Antero Resources. And here's Platinum, still within this huge consolidation. And this is a fight between the Bulls and the Bears. And it still is in its consolidation. I would imagine after this 1, 2, 3, almost 4 years of consolidation, when it does break out one way or the other, it's going to be fast and furious. So you don't hear a lot about platinum now. I kind of like that. And yes, we're still long platinum, the ETF PPLT. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your family and friends, and hope you have a great Friday tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Adios.